On this video, I'm going to share the 5 rules that I tell my clients they must have before I even start working with them. Buckle up, we're starting right now. Hey, my name is Matthew. I welcome you to Car Count Hackers. If this is your first time here and you want to get more customers, fix your car count, and finally make the money that you know you and your family deserves, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon. That way I'll continue to share tips, tricks, and hacks that I use with my private clients, and you'll be the first to know. So here's the 5 things that I tell my private clients before they start working with me. Number 1, they have to understand the importance of online reviews. Do you realize that 92% of consumers read those online reviews, and 90% of consumers are influenced by those reviews, and 72% of consumers trust those reviews as if it were a personal recommendation? That's huge. You've got to have reviews online. Number 2, they've got to have a mobile optimized website that is already optimized for local search. That means that the SEO has been done, or search engine optimization. They've got schema markup on their website. Why is that website so important? Because 96% of consumers are going to visit your website before they call, book an appointment, or come and see you. While you're working on that website, keep one thing in mind. Don't make me think. Make it easy for me to find the information that I'm looking for. What are car owners looking for when they get to your website? They're looking for your phone number. They're looking for an interactive map. They're looking for your hours. They're looking for your customer reviews. And they're looking for any coupons or offers that you may have. If you take it one step further, you've got to be able to give them a way to make an appointment online. You've got to give them a way to get a quote online, or at least be able to contact you. And after you do all that, you've got to respond in a timely manner. It used to be that 24 hours was a good time to respond to people. But in today's fast-paced economy, you've probably got to be down to a couple of hours to respond. Number 4, they've got to understand that on average, 19% of your customers are going to be lost over the course of a year. Look, some of them die, unfortunately. Some move away. Some are persuaded. So how do you counteract that? You've got to continually be looking for new customers, and the best way to do that is with a customer referral program. I'm going to leave a link up here to the simple strategy to use for customer referrals that generates customer referrals all day long. And number 5, they have to understand how to get their customers' attention. Getting their customers' attention isn't bombarding them with more junk mail and text messages and email and spamming them. It's all about effectively using things like direct mail, email, and text message marketing to continually be in touch with your customers. Direct mail newsletters, email newsletters, whatever it takes to be sure that your customer is thinking about you. Because after all, it's not their job to remember you. While you're here, don't forget to leave any comments or questions below. Tell me what you like most about this strategy, and check out the description for other video links to things that are going to be directly related to this video. And if you want to get more customers, fix your car count, and finally make the money that you know you and your family deserve, go ahead and smash that red subscription button, ring the bell icon. That way I'll continue to make content that shares all the strategies I use with my underground group of car count hackers, and you'll be the first to be notified. Take care. Talk soon. My name's Matthew Lee. Thank you very much for watching.